Over the years, I've had the privilege of working with thousands of dogs and their families. And one thing I learned very quickly is that senior dogs are incredibly resilient, and their owners are really deeply committed to giving them the best quality of life possible. I truly believe that just because a dog is aging doesn't necessarily mean that their mobility has to decline. With the right knowledge, early recognition of discomfort, and proactive support, many senior dogs can continue to enjoy happy, comfortable, and meaningful lives for years to come.